Assalamu alaikum batch 145. I hope you are all doing fine. I just want to tell you that you guys have a very special place in my heart because you guys were from the very first batch of Peshawar and you guys had no prior knowledge or idea about what this fellowship is. But still, you took this opportunity, and by working together, we were able to create something so beautiful and so meaningful. And you guys gave yourself a very beautiful chance to grow. And it is very important to give yourself chances to be kind with yourself and to others, chances to go after things that make you feel alive, chances to go over your dreams and fantasies and to make peace with yourself. And if you guys still have no idea what you want to do with your life, I just want to tell you that it is completely fine to not know. Doors will open up for you, you will grow wiser, you will learn things, eventually it will all make sense. And party is going on, life is going on, just keep showing up, universe will guide you, don't worry. And I want all of you to take a minute, close your eyes, and try to remember the person you are on the very first day of the fellowship. And think of all the things that you have learned and all the progress that you guys have made. Take a minute to be proud of yourself because I am. And I hope you will realize that if you can change this much in just 3 months, the potential for growth over a lifetime is infinite. All you have to do is just start. At the end, I'm so grateful that I had a chance to meet with you guys and I have learned so much from you. God bless you. I'm so proud of you that all of you are graduating. Best of luck, Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum प्यारे बच्चों. Congratulations on graduating from Amal Academy. I'm very proud of each one of you, and I want to tell you that I was amazed by the marvelous resilience you had to depict throughout the fellowship. We were all so distant geographically, yet we were so close in our hearts and in our passion. I pray that each one of you reaches your full potential in a way that you become change makers of the present and the future. And also, we create such a huge and positive impact in our society that others are able to benefit from our knowledge. I hope that you always question the things and the notions that you hold on to for so long, that you're always on the path of self-awareness and self-reflection. Just know that I'm always here to guide you, to support you. We're going to maintain and sustain this family bond that we've built. And in the end, I would just like to share a quote by Jacqueline Novogratz that may each of you live lives of immersion. This might not necessarily be an easy life, but in the end, that is all that will sustain us. Good luck with your present and your future, and I hope to see all of you very soon again.
Assalamu alaikum, dearest fellows. I hope all of you are doing well. I hope all of you are happy, smiling, and celebrating your success. My name is Saad Raja, and I am your cluster manager from your Amal Career Prep Fellowship journey. Some of you may remember me from your mock interview exercises or from my session observations. I'm here today to join the celebrations of your success and to also welcome you to the Amal family as an alumnus. Dear fellows, it was a pleasure watching you all grow and thrive in a moment when not everyone was doing well. While the rest of the world was stuck and figuring out how to move forward and deal with the pandemic, all of you special people made sure that you make the best use of this opportunity. You overcame a lot of challenges to facilitate your learning. You invested your time and effort in making sure that this was a learning opportunity for you. I'm really grateful for all the efforts that you have put in, and I assure you that this will reap results. I've always been a strong and a staunch believer in the power of doing our best. And all of you have done your best. So now it's time to celebrate our efforts. It's time to cherish the successes and the memories that we have made and to promise each other that we are going to continue doing this. We are going to continue investing our time and efforts in being a lifelong learner, and that we are going to have that impact and make our lives purposeful. At Amal, we always want you to stay connected, and we always want to facilitate your journey towards success. So, welcome again to the Amal family. Please enjoy your day and stay connected.
Let's move on to the most awaited part of today, which is celebrating the efforts of each one of you. The gold medalist from your batch is Numan Aman Khan. Congratulations, Numan. The Best Mega Project Award goes to Tariq Shah, Abdulahad, Amal Suhail, Asadullah, Muhammad Adil, and Shahid Anwar for their amazing project on Pashto language crash course. Congratulations, guys. The highest honors graduates are Abdulahad, Amal Suhail, Azizullah, Faryal Ashik, Hamza Amin, Hamza Daud, Hisham Javed, Javeria Altaf, Mishal Ashik, Muhammad Tufail, Muzammil Aziz, Shehzad Ahmad, Sayyida Sundas, Zuhaib Hassan, Zulkifl. Honors graduates from your batches are Amir Sayaf, Asad Ali, Asif Javed, Atifur Rahman, Bilal Nawaz, Gulfam Rabbani, Hassan Idris, Hazrat Amin, Hur Hayat, Gibran Khan, Muhammad Asif, Imranullah, Muhammad Murtaza, Muhammad Umair, Muhammad Usman, Qazi Muhammad, Tariq Aziz, Tayyiba Aruj, Waqar Ahmad, Waqas Ahmad, Zuhaib Ali Khan. The graduates from your batch are Maham Asif, Muhammad Adil, Shahid Anwar, Sikandar Yar. Congratulations, batch 145.